Hi. If you trade markets and you understand the importance and the sense in following a trading system, you would probably be very interested in this video. What you can see here is a list of several different trading systems. You can see here probably about maybe 10 or so systems, and that's a few, but you could actually access many more systems that you can follow with the buy and sell signals. Before you decide to follow any signals, of course, you want to check out each system. On this video right here, you can see various columns that show various performance figures for these different systems. There's a whole lot more analysis of the performance figures for all of these different trading systems that you can find. I'll mention how you can get access to these systems and compare them through an independent third party. It's unbiased. They are a reviewer of trading systems. As I said, you can see here about roughly 10 or so different systems. I'll explain the importance and what these different columns sort of mean and refer to, and how they can help with analyzing which system is better than another. But not only can you see about 10 here, you would be able to access over 10,000. In fact, it's about 15,000 systems. So that's quite a lot. And I'm sure out of over 10,000 systems, you'll be able to find one that works for you, that suits your trading style, suits the sort of market you trade and the time frame, and your risk tolerance levels and so forth. So just quickly going through the various columns. I'll probably concentrate on more of this page in the next few videos, so you'll have to watch those for the rest of it. But in this first column here, you can see the chart for the system. It just shows you the equity curve. The green means then the system went into profit, and if you can see any pink or sort of a reddish pinky color, that is if the system went into a loss. So thankfully these ones here have all made a profit, and you can look at the shape of the equity curve. You can see, for example, this is a great one. I mean, you'll notice maybe it's not so good as it first looks when you notice that the average trade length is 3.2 minutes, and that's why this is such a smooth curve, because the trades don't go for very long. This one is sort of moving in a step-by-step fashion. This one's a little bit more gradual. That one's a bit steep at first, then it sort of levels off. Okay. Ideally, you'd want a chart equity curve that looks like this. This is basically the account balance growing through the use of the trading system. So that's what that first column refers to. I'll explain more about these other columns in the next series of videos. But the important thing to realize from this video is that you really want to go for the smoothest sort of equity curve. You wouldn't want to start off with, say, $10,000 or £10,000 or whatever currency, or euros, whatever you use, and then find your balance. One month goes to 20,000, the next month comes down to 11,000, the next month 16,000, the next month's maybe 7,000, the next month's 25,000, the next month's 3,000. That would just be way too choppy, and I think people would just about send themselves insane trying to trade a system like that. You'd rather things be done in a more consistent manner, because as human beings we would prefer the flow of our account balance to go in a nice smooth way, so as to be able to handle the ups and downs as well as possible, so it's not too volatile in terms of the performance on a day-to-day, week-to-week, or month-to-month basis, or in fact year-to-year for that matter. So if you want to have a look at these systems and compare them, just quickly I'll show that you can actually sort these various columns as well, so in various order, highest to lowest, lowest to highest, and so forth. Likewise with the other columns, but we'll go into that more in the next few videos. If you have a look at awesometradingsystems.com, that's awesometradingsystems.com, you will see how to get access to all of these systems plus a lot more. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.